Good evening, Renuka ji. Good evening, all. Have you done with the homework I given yesterday?
Good evening, sir.
Have you done beta with the homework I gave yesterday?
Yes, sir.
I think you are not aware of the way the homework has been uploaded.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it has been uploaded in a Google Classroom. If you check,
Okay, sir.
it has been uploaded in Google Classroom. I'll just show it to you now.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. So let me share the screen. Yeah. Look at this, guys. If you go through Google Classroom beta, it has been uploaded in JEE and NEET 11 and 12 2022-23 batch. Okay. If you go classwork like this, in that there is a section called worksheets. Look at this worksheet. Can you see worksheet on the left side? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you just click on this, you will find out. Look at it. JEE chapter wise previous year questions. So in that particular column, you just choose the topic name. Look at this. Binomial theorem we are discussing now. If you click on this, automatically it will take you to binomial theorem PDF. If you just download, if you want to download, you can download, or if you want to take the question from there, you can just download. I mean, take the question and just solve it. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So let's go with the binomial theorem today also, and tomorrow we will go with area under curves. Okay, guys. Now let me just give you the questions. Ah, everyone take this question. Everyone solve this question. Done? Make it fast. Yes, guys, I was in mute actually, sorry. So 3 consecutive coefficients of this expansion are in the ratio this one. Then n is equal to dash. So I wrote this. How many of you got this? I think Renuka has posted her answer. Yes, Renuka, right? Can you tell me how you solve this?
We are using formula, sir. NCR minus 1 is to NCR is to NCR plus 1, sir.
Actually, we have a formula, beautiful shortcut for this. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
carry on.
NCR minus 1 by NCR is equal to 2 by 5, sir. Ratio 2 is to 5 ni 2 by 5 ga raskuntam, sir.
No. Wait, 1 second. You just talk to me in English only. Don't use any other local language. So it will be, recording actually. Other students might be, watching this. So for them also it must be understood. Okay. Yes. Tell me. NCR divided by NCR is equal to 2 by 5. Cool. Okay.
R by n minus R plus 1 is equal to 2 by 5, sir. And R plus 1 by n minus R is equal to 5 by 12.
So you'll be solving these two equations.
Yeah.
I'll be getting pretty easy. Very good job.
Right.
NCR minus 1 by NCR is equal to 2 by 5 you did, sir. And
Yes.
NCR by NCR plus 1 you did 5 by 12, sir. Am I right, sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You solve anything better now. Just after solving this, you get one equation. After solving this, you will get one equation. Solve करो दोनों को answer मिल जाएगा n value. ठीक है? All right, beta. N value
Yes.
you got 118, which is right.
Yes, sir.
118.
Yes.
Guys, understood how to solve other people. Very good, beta. So that have you applied for JEE exam, Renuka ji?
No, sir. I am applying only MSET only.
Why?
There is no time, sir,
No,
for preparing.
No, No. You are solving all JEE questions. Then why you are attempting only MSET? See, you apply for JEE second attempt, beta. Okay. There is
No,
one
yeah,
more. Yeah. Next month it will be. I mean, there is an option to apply for the JEE second shift as well. You check the dates of the second shift and apply for that. Okay.
yeah.
Last date is 30 of this month. So, like you just apply. Just they're saying that last date for applying second shift of JEE is 30 of this month. So make sure that you're applying, you're solving all previous year JEE questions. Then there will be a hope to apply. There will be hope to getting into NIT. So you apply better, not only MSET exam, you apply for JEE also. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Apply for that 30th last date. 30th is the last date. Okay. So what is the formula for this now? R by, or else we will do one thing. Let's write like NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. I can write like that as you wrote NCR minus 1 divided by NCR you wrote, but I'm writing NCR by NCR minus 1. Sir, why you are writing that way? Because I know the formula from this. What is that? N minus R plus 1 divided by R by 5 by 2. Okay. Now solve this. So 2N minus 2R plus 2 is equal to 5R. So 2N minus 7R plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? So now look at this here. This is also right ulta. I have direct formula for this, right? NCR plus 1 divided by NCR is equal to 12 by 5. Okay. N minus R by R plus 1. Okay, directly you can just anyway you solve, nothing wrong with that. As you solved also, that is also correct, but I am feeling comfortable solve with this. 12R plus 12. So 5N minus 17R minus 12 is equal to 0. This is second equation, this is first equation. Solve 1 and 2, you will get the n value. Okay, beta, what you will be getting now? Subtracting. So what, not subtracting, what I do here is, I'll just multiply the first equation with 5, or else first equation I'll multiply with what? 5 only. 5 into 2n minus 7r plus 2 is equal to 0. So 10n minus 35r plus 10 is equal to 0. Now multiplying this with 2. So multiplying with the 2 on both sides. So it will be 0 only anyway. So it will be 5 into 0 is 0 only. So 10n minus 34r minus 24 is equal to 0. Now solving these two now. So subtracting these two, subtracting. So 10 and 10 will be getting cancelled. So 35. So I'm doing, or else you give the names Babu, which is what you do is second equation, first equation. 2 minus 1 I'm doing. So 1r and minus 34 is equal to 0. R value is 34 I got. Substitute in one of the equations, you will get n value. From the first equation, 10 is equal to 35 into 34. 10n is equal to 35 into 34. How much you got, beta? 35 into 34 multiply 34 5. 34 into 34. 1190. So 1190 plus 10, 10n minus 1180. So 10n is equal to 1180. 0 0 will get cancelled. N value is 118. This is the answer. Very good. Correct. Next question. All these are previous year JEE questions only. So you are able to solve means you have to apply beta. So you cannot let us give a try. Nothing wrong with that applying, right? Renuka, you just try and uh, appear for the exam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So third option is correct. Yes, very good, Renuka. Yeah. What is the answer you got? 256. Okay. Right answer. How many have you done this? Quick, quick, quick. See, 3 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 5 to the power of 1 by 8 to the whole to the power of n is exactly, look at it, the number of integral terms in the expansion. Exactly 33. Then the least value of n is, then the least value of n is what? Least value of n is what? So 3 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 5 to the power of 1 by 8 all to the power of n. Okay. So TR plus 1 is equal to NCR. So 3 to the power of n minus r by 2 into 5 to the power of 5 to the power of r by 8. Right. So here n minus r by 2 and r by 8 are integer. Okay. So what are the r values must be now? R can be 0, it can be 8, it can be 16, it can be 24, which means it must be multiple of 8 only. All right. R by 8 and n minus r by 2 must be integers. So in that case, what are the possible values of r? 0, 8, 16, 24, okay, 32 and so on. Okay, people. So now what is n value is going to be now? N value is going to be what? I mean, n value is what? 33rd term, right? He has given what? It's exactly 33. So 33, 33rd term. So a plus n minus 1d, nth term formula from the sequence and series, arithmetic progressions, right? So a plus n minus 1d. What exactly the uh, uh, a for a is what? First term here, which is 0 plus 33 minus 1 into common difference is what? D means common difference, which is 8, is equal to 32 into 8, which is equal to 256. Okay, beta. This is what n value. How simple it is. Understood how I wrote? Clear? Very simple, guys. Integral terms. The number of integral terms in the expansion is exactly 33. Then the value of n is what? 33. So I took this general term. Here these two must be integers. So possible values of r. I took this. So this is my, look at it, this is my series, my sequence is going to be now 0, 8, 16 or all. So n33, I mean last term, I mean nth term. So a plus n minus 1d formula I applied, I got n value as 256. That's how we solve this question. Now one more question. Look at this. This is also a very good question. Let's not take more than 1.5 minutes. Yes, guys, done. Independent का concept. What is n here? 9. So 9 CR. N value is 9. So 9 CR. Three x square by 2 to the power of n minus r. So 9 minus r into minus 1 by 3x to the power of r. All right. Now solve this. That in the term independent of x in the expansion of this is equal to k. Then 18k is equal to what? How simple it is. Now can you solve Renuka now? I gave hint, right? Term of independent x. So 9cr 3 by 2 to the power of 9 minus r into minus 1 by 3 to the power of r, x to the power of 18 minus 2r into x to the power of minus r. Correct? So adding what? Now look at this here. This is what the expansion I got. The independent term of x. Then what will happen? X to the power of 18 minus 3r. So 18 minus 3r will be 0. 18 minus 3r will be 0. R value will be 6 here. Then substitute that, you will get the answer. How simple it is. Why you are not getting this? Solve it. Done. 9c6 3 by 2 times of 9 minus r. So 3. So minus 1 by, and 1 by is nothing but how much? 1 by 3 to the power of minus 1 by 3 to the power of 6. Okay. So 9c6 27 by 8 1 by 3 to the power of 6. Three cube will be getting cancelled. So 9c6 is what? So 9c3. This can be written 9c3, 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1. 1 by 3 by 8. Okay. So 3 will get cancelled, 8 will get cancelled. So what you will be left with now? Here 9c3, something we made a mistake. What do we have? 9c3. So 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial, which is 3 cube by 2 cube into 1 by 3 to the power of 6. So 3 times 3 times will be getting cancelled. So 8 will be getting cancelled. So this can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 1 3 threes. So 3 into 7 by here 2 into 3 cubes. 27, 3 1 3 9. So 7 by 18 I'm getting. 7 by 18. So this is what beta k value. Am I correct? So 18k we need. 18 into 7 by 18. Answer is 7. This is how you solve it beta. Cool. So very simple it was. So answer is 7. Option 3 is correct. Next question. Getting my point? Any doubts? Guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
Uh, 24th question. Everyone solve this question. Same type of question. Guys, done? What is the answer? So for some positive integer n, the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the binomial expansion this are in the ratio called this one. Then the largest coefficient in this expansion is what? So I do not know what 3 consecutive terms in this expansion. Let's take what is this expansion? This is expansion given, right? 3 consecutive expansions are like n plus 5 CR, n plus 5 CR plus 1, n plus 5 CR plus 2. So look at it, they are in the ratio of what? 5 is to 10 is to 14. So what I do here is n plus 5 CR by n plus 5 CR plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, which 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2 or not, beta? Yes or no? Yeah. So now solve this, you will get one relation. Again, similarly, you take this by this, equal with what? 10 by 14. 10 by 14. Understood my point? As you solved, Renuka ji. Hello? People are able to get my point or not?
Yes, sir.
N plus 5 CR by n plus 5 CR plus 2. So you will get one relation from this. You will get another relation. Solve both. You will get R and n values. R and n values. then you will be finding what? For some positive integer, the coefficient of three consecutive terms. Largest coefficient in this term is what? Largest coefficient is what? What is the largest coefficient? This is what your largest coefficient. So you will be just substituting here. N and R value will be substituting the largest coefficient beta, and you will be matching with your option. So this is how you will be solving. So let's meet in the next session, guys. I have another class. So thank you. Please do like everyone must be on time from the next class. Like if I start teaching the class after joining everyone, what happens is like it is getting delayed. We are solving one sum less. We are solving one sum less every time. So next time it shouldn't happen. So tomorrow everyone join on the time so that we'll be starting on time. Okay, thank you.